Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 24. This is Section 1.6, Problem 24. It says multiply in your head, if you can, 2,275 times 1,000. So with big numbers that have a lot of zeros like this, what you want to do is initially just ignore the zeros and concentrate on the non-zero digits. So if I ignore the zeros, the multiplication becomes 2,275 times 1. Well, that's pretty easy. That's times 1. It just stays 2,275. Now I can put the zeros back. How many zeros did I ignore? 1, 2, 3. So I put back 1, 2, 3 zeros. And now if I put in some commas, it makes the number a little bit easier to read. If I start from the far right, count over 3 spots, put in a comma, and now I can even count over 3 more, put another comma, it shows me that the answer is 2,275,000.